What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I am so excited because I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day, and I have not filmed a what I eat in a day in almost 2 months. It's been a little while. You guys love watching these videos. I love filming them, so we're gonna do another one today. So that is why we are in my kitchen right now. I have not eaten breakfast, you guys. I'm so hungry. It's literally 11:32, which is really late of a breakfast, but I woke up around 9:30 and then I was like doing my hair, drinking water. I take forever. Now that I'm like saying it out loud, I take forever to get ready. Like, how did it take me an hour and a half or 2 hours just to do my hair? I mean, I know it didn't take me that long. I was watching Netflix in between. Anyways, I take forever, but I haven't had any breakfast, but I have had 2 glasses of water. So I've had 2 full glasses of water, so about 1 liter. Anyways, I'm about to eat some breakfast. I actually had dinner at my family's house yesterday, so I definitely went over my calories. Anytime I go over my calories the day before, I wake up in the morning and I'm not as hungry as I normally would be. So I think I'm gonna have like a really high protein breakfast just to kind of cut the carbs a little bit. Just a little bit, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and get started with cooking breakfast, but before we do, I do wanna mention that this What I Eat in a Day is in partnership with ThredUp. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm gonna actually get into it a little bit later, like after we eat breakfast, because your girl's gotta eat first. And then we're gonna do a little try on. I'm gonna share with you guys a bunch of activewear that I got from them. I actually got this top, let me move back so you guys can see. I actually got this top from them. I'm obsessed with it. It's like this beautiful bright neon Nike, which I got for a hella good deal. Just wait until I get into it, you guys. I'm gonna share everything about ThredUp after breakfast, but yeah, I got this for such a good deal. So I'm gonna share with you guys more about ThredUp soon. First, we're gonna go ahead and eat some breakfast. I am gonna have 3 eggs and 2 slices of bacon, and I'm gonna have a mango. Let me go grab the mango. Look how good this looks, you guys. I'm gonna have, look at me posing, looking all cute with my mango and my neon shirt. Like, I'm matching with this little mango. So I'm gonna slice up this mango, not the entire thing, but just some of it, and have that as well. So you guys have seen this before, but this is the bacon that I am going to use. A little bit of back bacon. I think in the US you guys call it Canadian bacon, but this is 85% less fat than regular side bacon. So I always have this one because it's way less calories and fat. And then I am gonna have 3 eggs. I think I'm gonna do 1 full one with 2 egg whites. And then I'm, of course, always using spray oil. I don't like to use the regular, like, drop oil because the portion sizes just get out of control and it adds up with the calories, so spray oil for the win. So while our bacon is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping up the mango. I think I'm just gonna cut right on the side. Okay, so I put my egg in there. I have 1 full egg, and then I added 2 egg whites. Okay, so breakfast is done, you guys. It looks so delicious. I cannot wait to get into this. And I've been dying to eat the mango, but I didn't want to eat it and then not have a finished plate to show you guys. Okay, so this whole breakfast, I haven't counted it yet, to be honest, but I will put the calories on the screen. I'm guessing it's gonna be around 250. Okay, so I'm about to share with you guys the items that I got from ThredUp. If you don't know what ThredUp is, they are the largest online thrift store. It's amazing because you can get so many of your favorite brands that cost a lot for a really affordable price on ThredUp. I love it. So I actually showed you guys this top earlier. This is a Nike neon, like, it's like a, yeah, it's definitely like a lime neon green. I literally got this shirt for $13.99 and the estimated original price is $55. The fact that you can still wear like name brands that are really trendy and are really cute for such an affordable price is amazing. Like, a lot of the times you won't even go, I mean, that's like Walmart pricing, $13.99. Like, that's literally Walmart pricing, and I love the way that this fits. So the great thing about ThredUp, I just have it pulled up here so I can show you guys. The great thing about ThredUp is they tell you a lot of item details. So they really give you a good detailed description of the color, the measurements, like of the chest size, the length of the shirt. That way you can make sure that the size that you get actually fits you. So I love that. It'll also tell you the condition of the item, like the exact condition. But with ThredUp, honestly, all of the items are like new. They're in such good condition. It's almost like you're buying it for brand new, but you're literally paying, like, you're getting up to 90% off on a lot of these items. So I picked out a couple things. I really wanted to spice up my activewear, my gym attire. So I picked up all activewear that I really wanted to share with you guys. The first item here that I got are these Adidas cropped leggings. I'm really happy to have this because I have been wanting Adidas leggings for the gym for a while and I just haven't gotten them. I didn't really want to spend like $80 on Adidas leggings. So I love how I got these ones for such a good price. I actually paid $21.99 for these, and I think the estimated price, I have it pulled up here, the estimated retail price was $71. So the next piece is such a crazy good deal. This is a Adidas track jacket. This is absolutely perfect to quickly put on before going to the gym. It's gonna be amazing for fall and for spring, and when it's just a little bit chilly in the summer, you know, in the morning maybe. What I love about this is I got this for $33, and the estimated original price is $120. So as you can see, there's like a little Adidas theme going on here, because the first thing I did when I went on ThredUp is typed in Adidas, because I wanted to see what Adidas stuff they had, you know, and there's so many great things, so many amazing options. I also picked up this Adidas long sleeve, because what I really liked about this is a lot of the times when I go to the gym and I'm like, you know, on my little monthly cycle, I'm kind of in this like groggy mood where I don't really want to show off my body, so I don't want to wear something tight. I just want to throw on a nice tee. So I like how this one is just a really comfortable, kind of like a little bit looser fit, just very casual. It's not so like tight on my body for those days when I just want to hide my tummy a little bit and I just want to feel kind of like chill and comfy while I'm working out. So I actually purchased this for $21 and the estimated retail price is $70. Okay, I'm in love with this piece. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I absolutely need this. This is a kind of like light neon yellow. I love tops like this where they just have like the half zip. I feel like they're so cute. They're actually really trendy right now, like the half zip, but I've honestly always loved a good half zip. So this is like a snug fit long sleeve. I absolutely love the style of this. So I actually only paid $19.99 for this. That's a really good deal because I believe this one originally retails for an estimated price of 82 or 89, something like that. So it's a crazy good deal, of course. I thought this one was so cute. This is an Adidas lime green. I thought that it really matched this one. You can wear it just underneath if you don't want anything to show, even though this isn't see-through at all. But I thought this was so adorable. And then I also got a Reebok sports bra in this really pretty like light purple, just when I'm feeling a little colorful, you know. So I actually saved this because I really wanted to show you guys how amazing this was. I screenshotted this in my email because I was like floored. So when I placed my order on ThredUp, they tell you how much money you saved. You guys, look at that crazy amount. I saved $437 by shopping on ThredUp instead of going to an Adidas outlet or going to the mall and getting these things for regular price. Like I literally saved $437. If you keep shopping like this, the amount of money you'll save, like I'm honestly really big on improving myself, and a big change that I made in 2018 was budgeting and just being smarter with my money. Like you don't have to spend a lot to look cute and get name brands. So of course I have a discount for you guys, which is just incredible because not only are you already saving on ThredUp so much by how the prices are so low already, you guys can actually get an additional 30% off your first order with ThredUp if you use my code Amy30. I think this is incredible because like I said, these items are already so discounted and you're literally gonna get an extra 30%. So shop your little hearts out and save some money. So I think what I'm gonna do now is pick one of these outfits, and I think I'm gonna head to the gym because I haven't gone to the gym yet this week and I need to get my cardio on because I just feel like I need to up my cardio game, you know? I'm also really trying to eat healthier, like more nutrient dense foods. So I think I need to make a green juice as well. I'm probably gonna do that soon, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. I don't know what pants I'm gonna wear. So I definitely think I'm gonna wear this top to the gym because it's just perfect. But I'm going to need a jacket because obviously it's cold. So I think I'm gonna wear the Adidas. I always feel a little weird wearing Nike and Adidas at the same time, but you know, whatever. We're gonna mix name brands today, okay? Because there are no rules in Amy's world. This is absolutely perfect. So I think I'm gonna start heading to the gym just now. The only thing that I am gonna do before the gym is quickly make a green smoothie or a green juice, yeah. And then just head out. That always gives me really good energy, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. You guys have seen me make my green juices before, so I'm probably just gonna like quick film it and like speed over it. But yeah, I am ready to go, looking good on a budget. Okay, you guys, so I'm back now. I've showered and it's time for lunch. I will usually shower first before I eat lunch because I like to enjoy my lunch while I'm watching my show and then get right to editing or whatever else I have to do for the day. So for lunch, I've been obsessed with this burger that I've been making from HelloFresh. I got the recipe from HelloFresh when I did it and I have not stopped making it. I'm not kidding. I've been making it almost exact. I've taken out a few things, but for the most part, it's pretty much the exact same recipe I learned from them. So that's what we're gonna make today. The calories are really good too. I think it's around 350, just obviously depending on your portion sizes, but the way I make it, it's around 350, which is a perfect lunch for me. Okay, so here I have some extra lean ground beef. I always make sure to get the extra lean one, and pretty much all you're gonna do is put some garlic, maybe a little bit less than that. A little bit of garlic, chopped onion that I already have pre-chopped. It's just easier when it's pre-chopped. These are kind of big pieces. Probably should have chopped it smaller, but it's okay. And then I'm just gonna crack some salt and black pepper. Super easy. Okay, so I stirred everything up and then you just pretty much wanna make it into a patty on your own. You don't have to put gloves on. I just like to because sometimes I don't want the meat to get stuck under my nails. So grab everything and the first thing I do is roll it into almost like a meatball. And then I'll press it a little bit flatter and then keep rolling it. This just helps it to keep its shape so it doesn't like come apart. And that's it. And then I have my pan already preheating, and that is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the sauce for the burger. This is what absolutely makes this burger like absolutely epic. So I'm gonna use half fat mayo. So I'll put about a tablespoon and a half. And then you're gonna need some sriracha, whichever one you like. I love this one because it's a little thicker and it's slightly sweeter. I don't know, I just kind of like the flavor of this one. And that's it, literally so easy to make. Okay, got my toasted burger bun. So all I'm gonna do is spread a good amount of that sauce. And what's great is whatever sauce is left over, you can actually use it to dip the burger in, which is so good. And then I'm gonna use some spring mix. So this one is slightly kind of starting to go bad, so I'm just gonna use it up. So I normally don't really need a lot of ketchup when it comes to this burger, so I'll just put a little bit on top. That's pretty much it. And there you go. It is done. So good. Okay, you guys, so I've been editing all day. It's pretty much just a chill editing day, but I really want to make dinner. This dinner is like, has been on my mind. This is actually a recipe that I got from my mom. I used to eat it all the time as a kid, so I texted her and I was like, please, you need to send me that recipe. I need to try it. It's just been on my mind. I don't know why, I just randomly thought of it. So I'm actually gonna share that with you guys. But for dinner, I'm gonna make this amazing recipe that my mom used to make when I was growing up. So good. It's literally the simplest recipe ever. It's just chicken and rice, but it's Portuguese style, so it's so good. This is actually going to be perfect for those of you who are moms or if you're just really busy, because this recipe, you put everything in one pot, you let it sit, and it cooks on its own on low heat. Literally the world's simplest recipe, but it tastes so damn flavorful and good. So the first step is some olive oil. I just sprayed a little bit in the pot. So right now this is kind of on medium heat because we're gonna saute some onions. So I have some white chopped onion that I've already chopped up. Put a good amount in there. And then I'm also gonna put some some garlic. Maybe about like that much. So now what you're gonna do is put some paprika. Put a good amount of this because that really adds flavor and color. I would say that's pretty good. So what I love about this is putting the spices directly on the oil is really gonna help almost saute and like smoke the spice. Like it's really gonna bring out the flavor. Then of course I'm going to crack some salt and also some black pepper. Stir that all up. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. So the last thing you're gonna need is this pimento paste. This is basically just peppers made into paste. It's really good. You'll find this in the international food aisle. And I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. looking so good. I wish you guys could smell this. I'm telling you, stop right now and make this for dinner tonight. Like, this is what you need to make. And what's amazing is it's so simple. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my chicken. And then now I'm gonna add 2 cups of water because I'm gonna be putting 1 cup of rice. And then I kind of am just gonna let that sit there and bring it to a boil. So I am gonna turn up the heat a little bit, maybe put like more like medium high and just let it boil. Okay, so I've rinsed the rice a good 3 times just to really make sure all the starch is out. Stir that in. By this time you'll notice it's almost starting to boil. Like, I can already tell that the temperature is rising. So I'll wait until it boils first. Also, I kind of forgot to mention to you guys, so for the chicken I used boneless, skinless chicken thighs just because it is the least calories with the most juiciness, if that makes sense. You can use chicken breast, but I just always find chicken breast is a little bit dry, and like in a recipe like this, it's so good when the chicken is juicy. So I like the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You're actually supposed to leave the chicken whole, but what I do is I just cut it in half or into 3 pieces, and you're supposed to have like big chunks. That's the kind of like the whole point. You're not really supposed to cut it into pieces, even though you could. Yeah, like the whole point is to have it in chunks. The way my mom makes it is she actually puts full like chicken drumsticks and chicken wings in here and leaves it just like that. Okay, so now that it's brought up to a boil, I'm gonna grab the lid of the pot, turn it all the way down to the lowest heat, and leave it sitting here. Sorry for that noise. Leave it sitting here with my timer for 20 minutes. And that's it. You just gotta leave it and let it sit there. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. The first thing I'm gonna do is turn off the heat. Look how amazing that looks. So, second thing I'm gonna do, keep the pot closed, take it off the heat, and let it sit for another 10 minutes. You could do 5 minutes. Sometimes I do 5, and just let it kind of sit and steam the rest in there. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just open the pot and let the steam come out before I mix it. If you mix it while there's too much steam, it can get kind of mushy. So I'm just gonna let the steam escape for maybe like 2 minutes or so. Okay, so now that most of that steam has escaped, you can stir everything up and you can just see how good that looks. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the easiest, fastest recipes you'll ever make, but the most flavorful. Like, so much flavor. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This is what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. Obviously the calories just depends on your portion size, but this is just what I'm having. Okay, you guys, so before the sun goes down, I really want to just kind of quickly film the intro now because I know that by the time I'm done my dinner, the sun is going to go down. It's not going to be a cute outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed another What I Eat in a Day. Please don't forget to shop ThredUp. Don't forget you can use my coupon code 30% off using Amy30 if you want to get 30% off your first order. So I will leave the link down below as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed another What I Eat in a Day, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.